Okay, so I'm at one of the properties checking it out. I got a new tenant coming in tomorrow, so I came over just to make sure the air was on, everything was clean. Check the TV remote, and yeah, the TV won't come on. So I turn the TV on manually, just from the TV itself, it comes on. So there's something wrong with the remote. Mind you, I just bought this TV like 3 months ago. Hasn't been that long. So why isn't the remote working? So I'm sitting here. I just pulled up a YouTube video to show me a trick to see if I can get it to work. So I had to take the batteries out, unplug the TV for 60 seconds, and I am going to see if it works. So these are the things you have to do when you have a property. You're just getting ready, making sure everything is okay for the next guest. All right, so just put some new batteries in. TV is still unplugged, so I'm going to plug it in. Let's see. Hopefully this works, because I don't want to have to deal with this and someone's coming tomorrow. So TV, see the red light. I'm gonna hit the power button. Let's see what happens. And I'm hitting the power button again. Yeah, the TV's not coming on. All right, so I got to deal with this TV issue. This is the only TV in the house. It's a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, so I got to figure this out before the guest comes tomorrow. And it's a Saturday morning, and this was not my plan. This is not on my to-do list today. So let me get it done. Yeah. All right, bye. Guess what? Good old YouTube University did it. So I had to do this procedure several times, but the TV is now working with the remote. Yay! The remote is working. TV is on. So let me just give it some time, play around with it just to make sure that it's absolutely working with no issues. Because I don't want to have to run over here and mess with this TV once my next tenant comes in. All right, see you soon, or maybe later. Whatever. Bye.